Hey everybody, this is Dan from Carestream Dental. I'm going to spend just a couple minutes here going over some of the features of version 7 of the Carestream Dental imaging software. So in this demonstration, I've opened up a number of images here from the patient browser, and when they open up, they show up in these overlapping ways here without much organization. So if we do that, if we open up a number of images and it shows up in the imaging software in a screen like this, we can arrange those easily by going to Window and Rearrange Screen, and it'll auto arrange these images so that they can all be viewed. Okay. From that point, if this is, say, a context that you want to print, or this is a number of images that you want to print, in order to print this entire context, we can go to Context, and we can go to Print Context, and then we can, if we click on Print, if we've got the printer selected, that'll print the screen that we are looking at right here. All right, so, and say if we wanted to open up one of these images to look at it a little bit closely, we can double click, just like you saw me do right here. There's also the maximize button here, but we can double click right at the top. That'll blow that image up even more, at which point we can actually double click on that image as well, and that'll give you an even bigger view. You can see the hand there in the center of the screen where the yellow dot is. If we left click and hold, we can actually drag that screen around so we can view more of the screen. In order to get back, we will double click once more. All right, so there's this minimize button here, restore down. If we click on that, that'll bring us back to this screen again. All right, say we want to import an image. This is something that's easy to do. We can go to File, Import Image File, and we would just have to find that image on the desktop. If you were smart, maybe we would have a folder that would have the image in it. That's a little bit easier to find, but we can double click and that'll import that image then as a JPEG. All right. Once that's done, if you want to export one of these images, say to a folder on the desktop or to an email or something like that, if we click on the image, we go to File, we can go to Send to. We can save that as a number of different files. JPEG. You can select the location to save that as well. We can make a new folder. And then click on OK. And that will save that in the folder on the desktop, images 1, just like I indicated. All right, and so that's about it. I'm going to make another video again on creating and editing formats, and then we'll dive into editing individual images and using CS Adapt software on the intraoral X-rays.